So buying crypto with Apple Pay is super quick. Let me show you how to do it instantly. First, pick an exchange wallet that supports Apple Pay. The easiest ones right now are Coinbase, Binance, and Trust Wallet. Just download the app, make an account, and verify your ID if you haven't already. Now, inside the app, hit Buy Crypto. As you can see in Binance, Buy Crypto is right here. This is the website. In the app, you're gonna find it the same, just Buy Crypto. Now, select the crypto that you want to buy, for example, USDT, USDC, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the amount that you're spending, let's say $10. And then on the payment method, just select Apple Pay. Select Apple Pay from here and press confirm. And when you press buy BTC, Apple Pay will instantly pull up your saved debit or credit card. You just double tap to confirm with Face ID or Touch ID, and boom, the crypto is in your wallet within seconds. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.